Okay, not gonna lie, this one's kinda crazy good. There's a reason everyone's buying this right now. It's reliable, easy to use, and feels like something that should cost way more. Check it out through the link below. You'll see exactly why it's so popular. Quick heads up, you'll thank me later for showing you this. So many people are talking about it because it actually delivers. Smooth performance, solid design, and it's super easy to use. Definitely worth checking out. Seriously, don't miss it. Click the link in the description and thank me later. Hey friends, you need to see this. Trust me, it's worth it. The feedback from other buyers has been incredible. People love how it performs, and after using it myself, I totally agree. Trust me, you'll want to click that link in the description and grab yours today. Hey friends, you need to see this. Trust me, it's worth it. If you're wondering whether it's worth it, yes, it absolutely is. So many users have given. Okay, not gonna lie, this one's kinda crazy good. There's a reason everyone's buying.